Scan and QR code winner 25 rand. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership, Kaizer Chiefs 0, TS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by Papa Bashimani.
Yes, Timo kunjani mfethu?
Yeah, sure.
Bona mfethu esinegame ebora mfethu le.
Yeah.
Yongisa Christmas. Iqishana kongisa Christmas kabi. But anyway mfethu game lebe mnandi again.
Yes.
Pirates mfethu buka. Buka the Timo. Yes! Up the Fox! Yes! Baba Buzomnya! Ibola iseOrlando ne Kaizer Chiefs has disappoint. Chiefs ngala si remove eSoweto. Ibuyi ntondla maybe labo push pa Christian. Because ibhola abadlala akusibola seSoweto. Siyo. Ibhola emnandi. Bayuthi ibhola emnandi. Every competition is khona ku final. So uthatha abantu sibomaki wakho kanti bahluleka.
Yes.
Unawenza uStars Galaxy futhi ayiwini nathi babhidisha iKaizer Chiefs. Because nemntu vele ngaba noma Galaxy yabona Steve. Mara ngijabule kakhulu. Big up to Mbokazi mfana udlale kamnandi la khona futhi udlale khona kamnandi futhi.
Yeah.
Ngithi bonke eMpumalanga inkomo South Africa sijabulile. Sibabhakaniya. TS Galaxy sijabulile. Ngithi sidle Christmas kamnandi nonke mabhakaniya. Uyanya ukhuluma Simba. Yebo.
Scan and QR code winner 25 rand.